Welcome back. In today's video, we're showcasing some of the most incredible construction machines ever built. From giant excavators and powerful bulldozers to massive cranes and advanced road-building equipment, these engineering marvels are changing the way large construction projects are completed. Whether you're a heavy equipment enthusiast, contractor, or simply love watching powerful machines at work, this countdown is packed with impressive technology and unforgettable action. Let's get started. Number 5. Wirtgen W250XF Cold Milling Machine. The Wirtgen W250XF is a high-performance cold milling machine used in modern road rehabilitation and highway reconstruction projects. Built for precision and efficiency, it removes damaged asphalt quickly while preparing road surfaces for resurfacing. Its intelligent control systems allow operators to adjust milling depth accurately, improving productivity and reducing material waste. The powerful engine, durable cutting drum, and advanced conveyor system ensure smooth operation even on large infrastructure projects. Comfortable operator controls, excellent visibility, and automated functions further enhance efficiency and safety. For contractors focused on road maintenance and pavement reconstruction, the W250XF represents one of the most advanced milling machines available today. Number 4. Volvo A60H Articulated Hauler. The Volvo A60H Articulated Hauler is engineered to transport massive loads across rough, uneven terrain while maintaining excellent stability and operator comfort. Its articulated steering system provides outstanding maneuverability on construction sites, quarries, and mining operations. The powerful engine delivers reliable performance, while advanced traction control ensures maximum productivity in difficult conditions. Inside the cab, operators enjoy ergonomic seating, intuitive controls, and modern digital displays that improve efficiency and reduce fatigue. Designed with durability, fuel economy, and safety in mind, the A60H helps contractors move more material in less time, making it one of the most capable articulated dump trucks available for demanding heavy-duty applications. Number 3. Liebherr LTM 1750 9.1 Mobile Crane. The Liebherr LTM 1750 9.1 is an extraordinary all-terrain mobile crane capable of lifting extremely heavy loads while remaining transportable between job sites. Its innovative telescopic boom and powerful lifting system make it ideal for constructing skyscrapers, bridges, wind turbines, and industrial facilities. Advanced safety technologies, computerized lifting controls, and precise stabilization systems allow operators to perform complex lifts with remarkable accuracy. Despite its enormous capacity, the crane is designed for efficient setup and transportation, reducing downtime on major projects. The LTM 1750 9.1 demonstrates how modern crane engineering combines strength, mobility, and precision to complete some of the world's most challenging construction tasks. Number 2. Komatsu D475A8 Bulldozer. The Komatsu D475A8 is one of the world's largest production bulldozers, built for massive earth-moving jobs that require unmatched pushing power. Its high-horsepower engine and durable undercarriage allow it to handle difficult terrain with ease while delivering outstanding fuel efficiency. Operators benefit from an advanced cabin featuring intuitive controls, excellent visibility, and reduced vibration for greater comfort during long working hours. Intelligent machine monitoring helps improve productivity while lowering maintenance costs. Whether clearing land, pushing large volumes of soil, or preparing mining sites, the D475A8 offers exceptional performance, making it a favorite choice for contractors working on large-scale infrastructure and mining projects. Number 1. Caterpillar 395 Hydraulic Excavator. The Caterpillar 395 Hydraulic excavator is one of the largest and most powerful excavators designed for demanding construction, quarry, and mining operations. Equipped with a high-performance engine and advanced hydraulic technology, It delivers exceptional digging force while maintaining fuel efficiency. Its reinforced boom and stick allow operators to move huge amounts of material quickly and safely. The spacious cab includes ergonomic controls, touchscreen monitoring, and excellent visibility for maximum productivity. Built to handle the toughest environments, the CAT 395 is trusted by professionals around the world for heavy excavation projects where durability, precision, and reliability matter most. It represents modern engineering at its finest and continues to set new standards for heavy equipment performance.